today we're gonna bring actually great seat covers. I'm gonna set them up on my Jeep. I got a tore seat, so I need to replace some of it, get that extra cushion feeling. If you guys could see it, the material is really good, really tight, strong material, leather. You guys can see that. They give you the two seats, middle row, the base for the seats, the longer base if you have the longer seats, and the covers for the center pieces, the center covers for the actual headrests. They have two of them too, two side paddings. Everything's included in the whole thing, including tie downs, of course. They give you that for the seat belts. Make sure they're somewhere tight. They give you the instructions included, how to set this up. But today, I'm gonna set it up on our Jeep because we have some damaged seats. And in fact, let's walk over to our Jeep so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I invited a friend that had keys and damaged my seats, and they're getting bad every day per day. So we're gonna have to cover it up. And I have a Jeep Sahara here. I do have headrest. We're gonna have to open the zipper up because they do have zippers to actually slide it in there and cover it up. So a little messy old car needs a new update. So let's go ahead and do that. First of all, you have to line them up, and you see the zipper on the top. That's where you fit it in there. Right now, these are going to be perfect for the seats. So we're going to go ahead and start dressing them up. All right, the seats were very easy to set up. I like the feeling of it. I covered up that hole. Now, a thing that you got to be worried about, if you have heated seats, it's going to take you a little longer to feel the heat, but overall they look great. I like the two patterns that they have, the two separate for any kind of seat. This is a Jeep Wrangler that I have, but it pretty much fits any car. Right now I just need one more thing, and it's to tie them down. Basically, I got to go there, tie these down, tie them up together. So that's the hardest part of the whole setup. But overall, this is the front seats. I'm gonna show you the back that I need also to tie down. All right, so we have the back seats set up. Very simple to set up. I like that you could remove this to the bottom. It grabs on. So the hardest part is just setting this up, and I'm gonna tie it down right now to keep it separate. But look how beautiful they look in the back. And this is a Jeep Wrangler, and they give me extra pockets here too. Extra side pockets. Now, recommendation, tie these up as strong as you can inside so it can hold on to this stuff. But the seats look great. I just need one more setup, which I'm going to set. This is probably the hardest part from the whole build, hooking it up together. The back end of this was very simple. It had a hook, so you grab onto it and it was able to set up. But we're going to go ahead and finish it out. But I just want you guys to see the seats, how they look. This is the back seats. So I hope you guys enjoy it.